record the session from my side, and let me share the screen. Okay, right. You can start recording. I mean, like you can start asking the doubts. This is how it will be like. Okay, the file will be converted like this. It will show like this. Don't stop converting and all. Don't do anything. Automatically it will be converted, and the recording pop-up will be opened. Okay, by itself in any folder. Just note down the path to which location they are storing. Okay, it is very important. Okay, so once the recording is converted, automatically this kind of folder will be opened, right? Just copy this path, and in case if you have a chance, just paste it on any notepad or just on any stick notes. You can just paste the path so that you can access the recordings whenever you want. Okay, right. You can ask the doubts. Any questions? Any doubts now? Right? Any questions, guys? Please. And suggestions also very important. Don't think like only questions. This is not limited to the questions and all. I need your suggestions also. Every batch I'm going to get the valuable inputs from the students, and I'm going to change myself in case if I want to change anything from my side. Okay, suggestions, questions, reviews, anything is welcome.
షణ్ముఖ్ ఇప్పుడు రికార్డ్ చేసిన క్లాసెస్ ని మనం రీనేమ్ చేసుకొని స్టోర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
Yes, we can rename it and we can store it. No problem at all. You can simply see here. Okay. This is Zoom 0, right? So every time it will create, every folder will be created. Now 3 classes, right? 3 folders will be created like this. Okay, see here 3 folders. Every folder you can just simply click on the record file, the Zoom 0 file, and you can record it. Okay, this is the file, right? Just click on it, again click on it, B38 class 1. Okay, you can rename it and you can keep it in another folder.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Any questions, guys? Any questions?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, Azure and AWS SQL scores kuda మీరు చెప్తారా?
I don't provide Azure and SQL. Okay, Azure and AWS, sorry. So usually we are limited to the SQL DB only. So I'm planning for the Azure, but not now. It may take some time. But again,
is the AWS and Azure also need any coding?
Very good question. Okay, is it like SQL DBA needs any coding or not? So usually, okay, in the SQL DBA we don't use any coding, guys. Nothing to worry. Like you don't worry about the coding and all. We are going to use small commands like this kind of commands. Okay, select star from sys databases. Okay, let me close this. Like commands will be like this. Queries, we are going to call this as a queries. Okay, select star from, okay, sys.databases, select star from sys.sys processes. Okay, and sp underscore help db, sorry for that, sp underscore who2. These are all queries. Okay, these kind of one line queries we are going to use. So don't worry about the coding and all. Coding won't be there, but if you are good enough to learn coding also, you can learn T-SQL, transact structured query language. It will help you a lot to grow in a DBA position. T-SQL knowledge is also very useful, but it's not mandatory. Okay, so our queries will be like this only, very simple queries. Hardly we are going to use these kind of queries. The one which I have highlighted, these kind of queries will be like 15 to 20, hardly. Mostly 10 queries will use regularly, like sp underscore who2, sp underscore help db, dbcc check db. These kind of queries we are going to use regularly, but hardly 5 to 10 queries we are going to use regularly. But in your DBA like role, you may use 10 to 20 queries, that to one line queries only, like this only it will be. So don't worry about the coding. No coding knowledge is required, or no coding efforts are required. Okay, any questions, please? Sorry, your voice is not clear. Any questions, guys? Any doubts? Please, any suggestions? The classes are fast, slow, okay, or I have to go for in depth, or from very basics? just let me know your feedback. Okay, no issues. In case you want to send in the WhatsApp also, no issues. Right. Any questions? I don't know, just this user. Who is this user? Any questions, guys? User, I'll just go one by one. If not, we'll close the session for today. Only for today. Okay, 7:30 to 9. Tomorrow onwards, 7:30 to 9:30. Right, for the first day, right? So that's why I just took some basics. Yeah. User, any questions? Mahant, any questions?
No, sir.
Yeah. Mahant. Mahant, any questions, please?
No, sir.
Okay.
Even I could.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bhaskar Teja. Yeah. Bhaskar Teja.
No, sir. No.
Jagadish.
No, sir.
Vishnu.
Sir, can you provide work assistance after getting the job?
After getting the job, good question. After getting the job, I'm going to provide you the assistance, but that is a different story. Everything is a different story. Okay.
Yeah,
You know,
okay.
you know
Okay,
that
sir.
story, right? Yeah. Everything.
Yeah.
I'll provide everything from 0 to 100%. For each thing, there is a different stories, right? Okay. Right. After getting the job also, I'll try to save your job. How many months you want? I'm going to save your job. 3 months you want, 6 months you want. Happily, I can provide you the support, but it is chargeable.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Right. Sai, any questions?
No, all set, bro. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. And Krishna, any questions?
No.
Okay. Nagraj, any questions?
No, sir. Good.
Okay. Nagesh, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Nandini, any questions?
Sir, I'm very new to the subject actually.
Okay.
I want each and every topic in depth. Whatever the assignments you will give, that 100% I will try to complete that.
Great. Thank you. Just don't worry again. From today onwards, leave it about that I am new to the subject. I'm like, I don't know the basics. Forget about it. I'll help you to learn each and everything. Okay. If you just keep it in mind, I am from Telugu background. I am from this background, that background. Is the communication skills are very important to talk with the clients. Nothing needed. Just whatever communications you are having, that can be manageable with the clients. Okay. So forget about it. Don't worry about the technology, don't worry about the course. I'll help you, okay, till you are going to settle in your life with a good package.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Revan, any questions, please?
Yeah, I'm good for now.
Okay, that's
Thank you.
fine. Yeah. Praveen, any questions? Yeah, okay. Sai Kumar, any questions?
No, sir. As of now.
Okay. Santosh, any questions?
No, sir.
Yeah. Sharath, any questions? Okay. Srinivas.
no.
Yes.
No, Shanmugh.
Okay, that's fine. Srinivas, Venkat, any questions for me? Any suggestions?
No, sir. Nice explanation. But కొంచెం స్లోగా చెప్తే
Yes, sure.
కొంచెం స్లోగా
Definitely. Thanks for
ఫాస్ట్
that.
అయినట్టుగా అనిపించింది.
Sure. Yeah, I'll correct myself. Yeah. Thank you for that. And Srinivas completed. Venkat.
ఇప్పుడు నేనే సార్ మాట్లాడింది.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Okay. Any questions? Any doubts? All right, that's fine. Okay, so tomorrow morning, okay, we are going to meet. I'm sorry, not tomorrow morning. Tomorrow evening at 7:30 p.m. we are going to discuss. Okay, from day 1 onwards. Tomorrow evening onwards at 7:30 p.m. Okay, we'll discuss about the SQL Server. Okay, so thank you all. Thanks for your time. In case of any questions, you can ping me in the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you all.
Sir,
Yes. Tell me.
after completion of the session, can I talk to you in offline, means through a phone call?
Yeah. You can talk. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Thank you all. Thank you guys. Bye. Good night.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, guys.
Good night.